I almost missed my chance on this one. There's only one home left in the Hawthorn by Toll Brothers community in Alpharetta. I'm going to show you the model home located at 4515 Hawthorn Circle. It's similar to the available home, which is under construction, which will be 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, 3,808 square feet of living space, listed for $1,618,000 by Michael Vestal with Toll Brothers Real Estate. It's a traditional style, 4 sides brick, super convenient location, and you get access to the Toll Brothers design team that can help you add finishes like fluted wood paneling, shiplap, designer paint colors, window treatments, built-in bookshelves, all the touches that can make it look as amazing as this one, but customized to your individual taste. I personally love everything they've done here in the office and the dining room. It's a transitional style design. It blends the traditional elements like shiplap with contemporary modern elements that just make it look amazing. The kitchen cabinets wrap all the way around to the dining room to create a really unique style butler's pantry. And you've got a soaring wood beam ceiling in the great room. This is truly an architectural statement room that's going to take your breath away every time you walk in. Probably something that every luxury home should do, but not many actually deliver that. This kitchen also delivers. It's loaded with visual appeal, black quartz countertops, custom inset cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling, as does the ceramic backsplash, warm contrasting colors, high-end stainless steel appliances. It's a perfect blend of artful design and professional grade culinary functionality. The Scullery just takes it to another level. You've got all the same beautiful design aspects, and you've got a second gas cooktop, double oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and sink. This may be the best equipped Scullery we've seen in all of the homes we've toured so far, and we've seen some pretty amazing ones. Also got a great mudroom with functional custom built-ins. This would be the entry point from the 3-car garage, but this is the model home, so that serves as the sales office. The breakfast room rivals most dining rooms with its size and style, with its naturally finished wood, tray ceiling, recessed lighting, linear fireplace, window seats. It's surrounded by windows, and you have access to the deck. It's low maintenance Trex with a cool and moody batten board ceiling. And wow, look at the design of this outdoor space. A pavilion with a full kitchen and dining area, a huge linear style fire pit. The landscaping really looks like something you would find in a luxury resort. And we talk all the time about how homes like this are designed for entertaining, but you can see how this is just the perfect layout to have amazing parties. You've got that amazing backyard space, the Scullery that would help you cater to scores of your favorite people, and the open flow of the entire main level is really ideal for hosting events of any size. But face it, your friends are going to want you to host when you have a space like this. But it's not just for parties, of course. The transitional design gives it a warm, homey feel, very comfortable for day-to-day family living, including multi-generational living. You have the ultimate main level guest suite that would also be an ideal in-law suite. It's a spacious bedroom, cool fluted accent wall, walk-in closet, 3 windows for natural light. Hey there. But the best part is the bonus living area. Live-in parents, adult children, or long-term guests get a private space of their own. It even has a great morning bar and access to the back deck. Space like this is really a game changer to make long-term guests, especially like live-in parents, feel like they've got some privacy and they're not intruding on the rest of the family. It's really like a self-contained apartment. The only thing it's missing is a full kitchen. We're going to head upstairs, and as we do, I just want to make sure that you've noticed these gorgeous wide plank hardwood floors throughout this main level. There are 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms on the upper level, all en suite. I've got to show you the view from the stairway balcony. It's pretty spectacular. To the left, we have the laundry room. It's got really nice built-in cabinets, a sink, some counter space for folding, a linen closet. It opens into the primary suite closet, and I started to go in that way. Then I realized I would be going through the primary suite backwards, so I decided to start over. So this is the primary suite. It's got a gorgeous tray ceiling. Gets fantastic natural light from the 5 big windows. You've got another one of those beautiful paneled fluted accent walls. Opens up into a really amazing ensuite bathroom. The layout makes it very easy for 2 people to get ready at the same time without being in each other's way. Beautiful freestanding soaking tub and a statement-making glass shower. Plenty of room for you and your spouse to shower together even when you're not feeling frisky. You'll never have to be late to anything again due to shower bottlenecks. I guess with 5 bedrooms, there's always going to be an available shower, but let's be real, we all want to use our own shower. The primary closet has tons of space. It's already fully customized and separated into his and hers areas with 2 windows, giving the space natural light. And of course, it does connect to that laundry room, which makes doing laundry a breeze. This home is in the Alpharetta High School District, which gets an exceptional 9 out of 10 rating from great schools. Oh, well, look what they've done in this bedroom. Instead of an accent wall, they've painted a wide accent stripe in a swath down the middle of the room. That is a really cool, stylish look. At least I think so. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you have a strong opinion one way or the other. Great ensuite bathroom, by the way. The frameless glass shower is top-notch. It also has a very spacious walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. I mentioned at the beginning that this was a great location in addition to being in an excellent school district. It's surrounded by fantastic amenities. It's literally right across the street from Ocee Park, a 36-acre park with lighted baseball and softball fields, tennis courts, basketball, sand volleyball, a huge playground. Even has sensory-friendly features in the playground, walking trails that loop the entire park, picnic pavilions, dog walks. It hosts weekend sports leagues. It's really one of the best parks in the entire area, and it's right outside your doorstep, or at least right outside your neighborhood's doorstep. You're also really close to the Autry Mill Nature Preserve, Webb Bridge Park, one of the branches of the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area, and the Big Creek Greenway. So if you enjoy running, walking, or biking, you're going to have plenty of options nearby. It's also minutes away from Avalon, North Point Mall, and downtown Alpharetta for fantastic dining and shopping options. I'm Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you the last remaining home in this beautiful development in person. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I hope you enjoyed the tour.